Welcome to Zenhacks Tip.2. This is where Zentegra drops quick, powerful tips to help you work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Think about it. How many tasks in your business are stuck because someone hasn't hit approve? These bottlenecks don't just waste time, they slow down the entire organization. Without a proper system in place, approvals get lost in email threads or forgotten in chat messages. You're not just losing hours, you're losing momentum. The first fix, get clarity. Set defined rules for each approval stage. Who's responsible, what's the threshold, and when can we skip approvals altogether? Then bring in automation. With platforms like Zoho, you can build workflows that send alerts, route requests, and even auto-approve low-value items, so nothing stalls. Once the flow is fixed, everything else clicks. Your team isn't stuck waiting, your processes gain speed, and you unlock better, faster decisions across the board. More than speed, it's about visibility. You'll know exactly where things stand, who's holding it up, and what needs attention. No more blind spots. Let's be honest, a delayed approval can mean a lost deal, a delayed hire, or a missed window. Speed isn't just a luxury, it's a competitive edge. Want to scale without getting stuck? Build systems that move without you. Smart processes make room for smart growth. Like this tip? Hit subscribe for more Zen hacks from Zentegra. And head to Zentegra.com to see how we automate business processes start to finish.